Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another college week in my life. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd. It's about 9 a.m. I have to leave here for class in less than 10 minutes. But yeah, I have my 4 classes today, and then there's a meeting at 7 to go over a study guide for my consumer behavior test on Thursday. So I'm gonna go to that, and then just studying for the exam. That's all on the schedule today. All of my classes went pretty well. It was pretty good, easy, kind of felt short day, which is nice considering I sat in class for 6 hours. But yeah, it was pretty good. I'm home now. I have a meeting at 7, so I have over 3 hours to get some work done. But right now I just need to like veg and chill for a second. So I have my after school snack, the apples and the caramel dip, which is so good. Have some pretzels. This is my leftover chai latte from this morning. I just put it in the fridge and now it's cold and actually tastes really good. And then I'm gonna keep watching 11/22/63. It's a show on Hulu, and I watched this I think on like CDs like that we got from the library a couple years ago. But it's essentially like there's this rabbit hole where you can go back to the past. And so James Franco, he's the main actor, and he goes back and he's trying to prevent the assassination of John F. Kennedy, and like kind of interacts with Lee Harvey Oswald and like follows the CIA and stuff like that. It's really interesting. It's kind of spooky, sort of like there's like little elements of it. So it's like this is my holiday or my Halloween spook thing because I don't do scary. I hate it. So this is about all that I can handle. But yeah, it's really good. I'm almost at the end. I think I have one more episode after this. It's so nice outside, so I think I'm gonna sit on my porch and get some studying done. I'm kind of nervous for this exam, and I have to like go through my textbook and like see what terms he didn't cover in class that might be covered on the exam, and it's just like a lot of material. So I just want to make sure that I'm like staying up on it and doing my best so that I get a better grade than I did last time. So I just finished up studying. I only studied for like 30 minutes, but just need a break. I feel pretty good about my notebook notes, but I just want to go over like the practice exam that he gave us and then the in-textbook stuff that wasn't covered because I don't really read the textbook. Just go through it like when exams come around. So I'm gonna do that in a second, but first I'm going to clean my room. I need to make my bed, to put away clothes. I just have stuff on the ground, plates, bowls, just it's a mess. So I'm gonna clean that up first. It's 5:30, so I really only have like an hour before I have to like get packed up and head out. So just gonna work on that. I really don't have that much to do this week. I definitely did work ahead. I have a response paper for my comm theory class, but I won't start writing that till after class Thursday. A survey assignment. We kind of started it in class today, and then we have a meeting tomorrow at 6. And then my advertising class, but I can't do that till after class Thursday as well. And then I have some readings and a quiz in my women's gender and sexuality studies class. I finished the textbook notes, and then I also did my quiz for my women's studies class because there weren't as many notes in there as I thought that there would be. My laptop's in there. But yeah, I feel really productive, much better about the test and the content now because there wasn't much in the textbook that he didn't cover in class, so I feel good about that. Headed off to the study session, and I have my backpack. I always just feel weird if I'm walking on campus without a backpack because I feel like I just don't belong. So I'm bringing the backpack. I think I might go downstairs and get a little snack, but I know that I'm gonna eat like probably mac and cheese when I get home at like 8:30 or 9, so. Made some mac and cheese. I'm gonna watch 11/22/63 for a little bit, and then I also want to do a little bedtime yoga sequence. I think Yoga by Adrienne has one. I know she has a morning one, but I'm pretty sure she has a night one, just because I've been trying to be a little bit more active. I'm really trying to like, I feel like I'll work out like once or twice and then I forget about it for like 10 days. Good morning, everyone. It is actually like 11:30, but I just made second cup of coffee for the day, and I have a little kind of second breakfast. I only had a piece of toast this morning before I tutored, so I have an English muffin and a raspberry yogurt, and then I'm gonna finish watching 11/22/63. I have like 20 minutes left of the whole season, so I'm gonna finish that. I've been studying a little bit, which is what I'm gonna work on most of the day, like I've said like 6 times. But yeah, tutoring was good. It's been a good morning. So I have been studying outside for a couple hours. It's so nice out, especially in the sun, so I've just been kind of like laying and doing a little bit of studying and just like kind of relaxing, but I'm a little bit hungry. I actually have no idea what time it is. It's 2:32, so yeah, here's my little lunch. I have some spinach and tomatoes and ranch dressing. I've got some pretzels. I've got I don't know if this is like an orange or a clementine, I think technically. It's a little bit bigger than the cuties. But. So it is a little after 8. I just got home from our group project work session. It went okay. We got stuff done. We have most of it done. We just have to kind of clean it up. But it was just a very tension-filled meeting. I hate group projects because I feel like someone always takes charge and thinks that they know what to do, but they don't really know what to do. Or it's just like too bold and doesn't let other people speak. So yeah, it was just very frustrating. So I'm gonna work out. I was planning to work out, but now I want to work out anymore to get this like tension out of my body. But I just thought that I'd show you guys what I'm wearing. This top is from Forever 21. Got it in Costa Rica. It's super comfy, and I love the color of it. It's great for small boobed ladies like myself. And then these leggings are from Old Navy. I got a size small. They're really tight, so I can't like pull them up to where I like to because then I get really bad camel toe, but they're good for working out and just like lounging and stuff. So yeah, my girl Mad Fit uploaded a new video. It's a full body cardio HIIT workout, so I'm gonna do that and then get food, shower, and go study a little bit more, and then that's it. Thursday morning, it's 10:20. I actually did not go to my first class today. I just kind of wanted to have a lazy morning. I don't really get to sleep in except for Sundays anymore, just because I always have stuff to do in the mornings, whether it be like work or class or tutoring. So I just wanted to have a nice relaxing morning, especially so that I could prep for the exam later today, and I actually do feel pretty good about it. So I feel like it was just exactly what I needed, and I slept so well last night, like so well. I really don't sleep very good at my house for some reason. I don't know if it's because of just like my roommates making noise, like the walls are pretty thin. But yeah, the night before I slept terribly, so I just wanted to get a good night's sleep. And then I just woke up. I, didn't have to like rush or like get immediately out of bed. I made coffee. I studied a little bit more. It's just been really, really good. So I think for me, I really am not a class skipper kind of gal. I think last semester I skipped like maybe 2 classes, but it was like the end of the semester. So I don't know. I like to be at class. I feel like it's important to be at class, but this morning I just felt like it was important to kind of put my mental health first, because last night I was so stressed and just so anxious, and I just feel so much better this morning. Like seriously, so good this morning. Here's what I'm wearing. I just have this sweatshirt that I got in Iceland. It's really comfy and I like the neckline of it. I've got my Lulu leggings on and then my Nike sneakers. My backpack's all packed up. I have to fill up my water bottle and my reusable bag because I have to go to the grocery store after class. And yep. Alright, just got back from the grocery store. I'll show you guys what I got. I got kind of a lot. So we have some baby spinach, some tomatoes, lots of yogurts, some more bread, some apples, my mac and cheese, orange juice, some English muffins, banana, eggs. This is my favorite rice and veggies. It's like super good, really easy to make. Lots of goldfish. It was buy 5, save $5, so I did that. And then I got tomato soup, some of these berry drinks that I have during the school days. Got some lotion because my skin's been super dry. Chocolate chip bars, some raspberries, some cheese. I'm gonna make grilled cheese and tomato soup tonight. Some caramel dip, and then Charleston chews, which I'm gonna go eat right now in my room. Alright, so I am going to get some work done. It's actually 5:30. I don't really know. I watched some of The Office and I've been working on homework a little bit. I have a response paper for my comm theory class that I'm gonna write. It's super easy. He like has a question that we answer. Usually like a couple videos we'll watch and then answer a question. And they can be like 1 paragraph long, and he gives us full points. Like he doesn't take anything off, so it's pretty easy. So I'm just gonna do that, get that finished, and then I'm also going to look at our survey assignment that we worked on last night as a group. And then yeah, I think I'm gonna start making the study guide for my advertising class. That exam is next Thursday, so not really a rush on that because I know that I can do it tomorrow as well, but just to kind of get a head start on that. And yeah, that's really all that I have to do. I'm gonna start looking at advertisements for my advertising class because I have to pick one with a partner and present it to the class. So I'll probably more so work on that tomorrow. I'm really tired for some reason. I don't know why, because I slept so good last night. But I think just sitting in class and then worrying about the exam, and I don't know, I'm just like really tired. So I just want to get a few things done and then be okay with not doing homework the rest of the night and just like maybe watch a show or a movie or read a little bit. This book is so good. It's called The Age of Light. I get all of my book recommendations. You guys keep asking me, but I get all of mine from Katie Bellotti and then Zoe Laz, or that's her Instagram handle. I don't remember what her actual last name is, but yeah, that's where I get all of my book recommendations. And then I also have a highlight on my Instagram, but I found out about it from Katie and it's just so good. It took me a second to get into it, but it's really, really good. And it's about photography and art and creativity, so I think that's why I like it a little bit more, just because it kind of hits home. I'm finished with dinner. It was super good. I love a good grilled cheese sandwich. But yeah, it's about 8:30. It's kind of later than I thought that I would be like done with everything. So I just made myself a cup of tea. It's honey lavender, kind of stress relief, I think. And I'm gonna get started editing this video. I know that I'll have plenty of time tomorrow to get it done, but I just don't want to do any more homework. I'm not ready to like go to bed quite yet, so I'm just gonna edit for like 30-45 minutes.